These are the retractable ratchet straps from Maxina. These are made specifically for a Ford Maverick. These are absolutely fantastic because they bolt to the side of the Maverick bed without having to drill any new additional holes. This uses holes that are already in the bed, so this just is a bolt-on accessory. I love these because I love having ratchet straps to tie down all of my gear in the back of my truck, but they're always getting tangled and everything, and they're always such a mess. So with these, they are self-retracting. So you just push the yellow button, stretch it out as long as you need it, tie down your gear, then you'll use the lever to ratchet it back and tighten everything down. They do come in a set of two, so you can mount one to each side of your bed, and they are opposites of each other, so there's a specific side to mount them to. So let's head out to my truck and I can show you how easy it is to install these retractable ratchet straps. To install the retractable ratchet straps, you'll need to remove the 2 bolts for this tie down, which is okay because we're going to remove this tie down, but this has tie down points on it as well. And then you'll need to remove the bolt off that is behind the accessory rail here. And it will attach to those 3 holes behind the rail. It takes a T30 Torx head bit to remove the pre-installed screws. I have my bolts removed. Slide the foot piece underneath the rail. You may have to loosen another bolt in the rail to get it in there without bending it. There was a spacer behind the rail, so I'm going to remove the spacer, and then the foot for the ratchet strap will be the spacer instead. Now, it did come with bolts to replace these, but I think I'm going to use the old bolts and just reattach them. These straps are meant to be mounted with the strap coming out the top and the handle for ratcheting it down on the bottom. I believe the holes line up where you could flip this over and use the other one on here and put this on the other side so that the handle's on the top, but this is the way it's meant to be. And I think this is going to be nice because it's going to keep that handle down out of the way behind the edge here. If you did it the other way, that handle would stick out up here on top. So I'm going to do it the way it was intended. That is mounted really securely on there. It is not going anywhere. Let me get the other side on and then we'll try them out. Okay, I have the straps all installed on the back of my truck. So you just push down on the yellow button to loosen the strap so that you can pull it out. And you can hook it to whatever you want to hook it to. For now, I'll hook it straight to the other side. Then we'll ratchet it down. Until it gets really tight to hold in whatever you're tying down in the back of your truck. When you get where you're going, hit the yellow button and flip the handle down all the way, and it will loosen this back up. Unhook it from the other side, and it will wind itself back up onto the spool. The hooks are big enough to grab onto those sliding rail connection points. You can tighten them down to that. Or you can come across to that lower connection point on the other side, right there. They can go up to those D-rings on the front. And you get lots of straps. So if you've got a whole bunch of stuff piled in here, you could really pile it up and then bring it down on top of there. So if you got a bunch of brush or something that you're bringing, you've got a lot of space to work with. These were really easy to install, and they're sort of back behind this little wall, so they're not really even going to get in the way of anything. They don't take up a lot of space. They're tucked back behind there. I think they're absolutely fantastic. Having one of these straps on each side of the truck is going to be really nice. I'm never going to have to be looking for a ratchet strap again. I just always know that they're right there on the back. If I've got some 2x4s laying out the back of the truck here, just run a strap over them real quick, hook it to the other side, and we're ready to go. Overall, I've been really impressed with these retracting ratchet straps. I think they're fantastic, and I think everybody with a Maverick should have some of these.